A vanity that's effortless to assemble and built to last? No missing pieces, high-quality materials, sleek design, and incredible value is here. This one will transform your space in style. First up is the Vanity desk with lights and power strip. This bestseller really pulls out all the stops with its bright LED lit mirror, multiple color temperature settings, and handy built-in charging station. If you're someone who loves to experiment with different makeup looks, or you're frequently on the go with hair tools and devices, this design is a dream. It comes with 2 large drawers, 6 open shelves, and a snug cushioned stool for maximum comfort. It's the kind of setup that feels modern and professional all at once, instantly giving your space a star-quality vibe. Next, let's look at the ironck Vanity desk with LED lighted mirror. While it also has lighting options and a charging station, this piece feels more minimalistic. It features 4 drawers, perfect for anyone who likes to keep their daily essentials neat and tidy without too much clutter. The adjustable brightness settings on the mirror mean you can customize your lighting easily, and the simpler silhouette ensures it blends into a variety of room decors. It's definitely a timeless option if you prefer something that's straightforward yet stylish. Finally, there's the vasagle Vanity set. Unlike the first 2, this classic design doesn't come with built-in lights. However, what it lacks in lighting, it makes up for with its elegant lines, open shelves, and solid construction. It has 3 drawers with a handy divider and a softly cushioned stool, fitting right in if you're aiming for a more traditional look. It's both visually clean and practical, perfect for those who want a laid-back, timeless appearance in their bedroom. Which design will you be choosing for your home? Don't want to waste hours hunting for the best finds? Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned.